Hey folks, welcome to Economic Observations. My name is Chris and my apologies for not being around in the past 8 days. Yes, hard to believe it's been 8 days, but sometimes life just gets in the way. I have a job, then I run this Tanzania school foundation, but I'll let you know, I don't get paid to do this. I do it as a volunteer and it is absolutely crazy. We are running a 1 month event. It's going from Black Friday till December 19th, and it is occupying my whole time. My life is just upside down and a little crazy. I am really enjoying the event planning part. I'm meeting a lot of people. We're getting a lot of donations and raffles and vendors and all sorts of things, and it just occupies my time, and I work from home. And when I'm working from home, you never turn off your work. It seems that I am working till 11 o'clock at night. And then I say, oh, I missed my opportunity to do a video. So I am making time today. It is 10 o'clock though, so I'm going to try and make this brief. But there are a few things that I've been watching during my day that I'd like to share with you. In Newton, Massachusetts, on busy Route 9, and if for those of you who know Route 9 in the Massachusetts area from Boston to Newton, it's a really busy road. There is a tiny house for sale. It looks like a shed when you pass it by. It is just 251 square feet. Yep, you got that right. 251 square feet on a busy road. But in prime Newton, Massachusetts, and for those of you who know, it is an upscale or a more affluent town than a lot of others in the area. And this house was selling for $449,900. Yes, you got that right. Just about $450,000. And can you believe it got multiple offers? Multiple people were willing to spend almost $500,000 on just 251 square feet. If you break that down, it is $1,792 per square foot. The most expensive square footage anywhere in town. It's absurd. The only problem is no bank would give them a mortgage. There's the house behind me. No bank would give them a mortgage. So now they are looking for an all-cash buyer, and they have reduced the price just slightly. But yeah, that's what you get in Massachusetts. There was another house, the second tiny house listed on Caldwell Banker. It was 890 square feet on Upland Avenue in Boston. And that 892 square foot house went for $750,000. Welcome to Massachusetts, folks. Insane. And not only are you going to pay in Newton $450,000 for a shed that you can live in, you're going to pay astronomical property taxes. Yeah, you got that right. Especially in Newton. Really, really high property tax. Anyway, the prices are just explosive. I don't know how anyone can do it these days. I really don't know. On another topic, you know how we have all these hirings, help wanted, hourly wage, crap jobs in retail or restaurants or something. A Florida guy decided to take the test. In September, he applied for 2 jobs every day. He applied for 60 jobs in September. Hourly, no experience needed kind of jobs. Has a good resume, has a lot of experience. He got 1 interview. 1 interview. So how badly are these businesses really looking to hire someone? Or are these signs just make-believe? I feel like the whole world is make-believe. I can't believe everything that's going on. The price of Bitcoin, $66,000 today. What the hell's going on with crypto? It's insane. There's no fundamental value to this thing. It's just what people are willing to pay. And is there going to come a time where people are going to take their profits and the whole thing is going to go again? I don't know. But it's really weird. Stock market was up again. Bizarre. No fundamental values in many of these companies. I was looking at companies that came public in the early 2000s, even later 1990s. 90% of them don't exist today. And I'll tell it right here. 15 years from now, many of the companies that we're talking about and that the rage is all about will not exist, because that's the way the market works. There'll always be new people, new companies coming up. Dollar Tree is raising their prices and things will no longer be just $1. They need to increase them due to the inflation that is around and the prices going up. And not only that, but it's the whole supply chain debacle and the cost of getting goods here. So they are going to raise their prices. But if history tells us something, we know that all the 5 and dimes, they're out of business, right? They were 5 and dimes for a reason. 5 and dimes because everything was 5 cents and 10 cents. Today, everything was $1. Once you start raising that cap, well, the bargains just aren't going to be there. And these stores are going to go down by the wayside too. Five Below is already over $5. There are still some things below 5, but there are a lot of things that are above 5. It happened to Woolworths. It happened to the 5 and dime. I see the same in the future of all those things. They're not going to be able to be sustainable because the price of everything's going to go up, and I just don't think they'll be sustainable. Anyway, all interesting things. Reading another article today in China on the China News. It says the price of a container has come down 22%. Yeah, you got that right. It was a Christmas rush, right? Everybody wanted things in time for Christmas. But the manufacturing in China and the shipping craze in China has slowed down dramatically. Because if it's shipped today, it won't get here in time for Christmas. And that's why there's all those ships in the outside of Long Beach and LA, because they all want to get here in time for Christmas. But once January comes, that debacle will be gone. And the price of shipping will come down with it. Just like we saw in the price of lumber. I buy these 1x2s to make frames to stretch paintings that I sell. And in the highest it went, it was like $4.32. It was at about $3.80 from like January until it went to $4.30. But now they're selling at $3.55. So they've come down quite a bit. I have bought over 25 pieces of those woods over the past couple of days because we are expecting a delivery of some artwork. Anyway, it's late. I just wanted to say hi. I know that a lot of you who are watching are my steadfast supporters, and I am really, really grateful for you. I know lots of you have made donations to the Tanzania School Foundation. Many of you have bought me a coffee, and I just want to say thanks. I mean, I do this because of those few people who are really dedicated to this channel, and I really, really thank you. All right, folks, as always, call someone and tell them you love them. Be kind, and we'll talk again real soon. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.